Which you seen from my last video. Pull back these rubber, start to cook them. I got the bottom one out, so all I gotta do is just take this up like that and push the caliper back so it all pops out. Throw it up to the side. That thing is almost completely rusted out. Now as far as move the hub, I don't know, we'll leave the caliper back into place for right now. So we're just going to remove this, it's like the shape of a castle nut, but there's no cotter pin, so it's just a normal, we'll see what size that is. It's a 32. See what I mean? It's not a real castle nut. Now thinking hopes. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Oh wow, look at that too. I'm shocked that came off for sure. Something this rusted out. All right, now let's see what we're gonna have to do to get this hub out. So to catch you up, not gonna film all this because it'd just be too long a video. A lot of stupid steps, but how I've gotten this far was 18mm nut and bolt, 18mm nut and bolt, and then 3/16s on the back of this plate. That's why we can get to those 4 18mm back there, which is the reason why we're replacing this, is because, as you can tell how rusted out it is, this speed sensor, which works fine, I already tested it, cannot actually get that metal ring, that magnetic ring, so it can't read, so it's setting off an ABS code. So that's where I'm at so far. I'm gonna take off those 4 8. Now when it's as rusty as what it is, 17mm, I think I said 18 earlier, that was my bad. So we're gonna take this, hammer it in. That's how we're gonna handle that project. Alright, so here's what I ended up with. Got it off, disconnected, but the whole thing came with it, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that one apart. Ooh, there we go, got it real hot. There we go. Got the hub out. Sorry for so many cuts, but again, it's just a lot of rust. So I mean, essentially it's just heat, WD-40, hammer, heat, 40, WD, hammer. It's just, yeah, you don't want to touch this. And now, pretty much we got to get in there and we're gonna clean all this up. And we're gonna, this is the, there's that back ring that was rusted out from the old hub. We'll have to push this out, get all that cleaned up, get the surface grind down, make it nice and smooth again. And we'll go to reinstall. Alright, let's get it cleaned up. Alright, so here goes the fun part. Here's the old one. Here's the new one with the brand new magnetic ring and the holder. So how it's going to be facing is we're going to have it like this, because that's got to be in this bottom corner right here where you see my fingers moving. So just go like this. You got to fit this down in there like so. Which, there it is. It's going to fit just like that. Perfect. All right. All right, here goes nothing. Oh yeah, definitely way easier said than done. So with a little bit of patience and a tiny bit of cursing, we got the two together. Wasn't bad. So 17 millimeter. Go ahead and pat. Just want to keep doing crisscross patterns until it backs in fully, and that's where your speed sensor will go. Now as we put this all back together, just makes it a lot easier. Axle grease, whatever you want. I'm going to use anti-seize, but like I said, you can use axle grease or brake, I don't care, just something to lube it up. And again, that's just if it ever goes out again, it just makes it that much easier to remove next time. Now, we'll plug that in later. That's the last what we have to worry about. Now that the hub's completely in, we're going to go ahead and tilt this back to where it was. Since it's a lot easier like this, we'll put the axle through. Get the axle kind of lined up where it was, which is right there. Perfect. Just doesn't really matter where you start. They are going to go back, so. Always in the way. That'll hold for now. And this one up. couple taparoos. I'm gonna get the knuckle put back onto this arm. Obviously using the 3 16mm bolts. Tighten all 3 of these back up. Alright, so now we're gonna be doing the SwayBar links, rear ones. 15mm. Let's see if it's accurate. Yeah, it's accurate. As far as the top, how to get to the top one, I don't know. Zap it off, make it cut in the back, make it cut in the front, thing falls right out. So that's personally what I would do. Or even you could just cut the nut off. You've seen me use this 100 times before if you've been to my channel. Worth every penny. It's going to save you a long time. Tons of times. And you just add the new one. It's as simple as that. Let's get the rest put back together. I'll have to get me some caliper bracket grease, but for here I'll just use the anti-seize. Brake dust out of there. Go ahead and take this and lube it all up just because we're a nice guy. Take this. There we go. Slide nice in there. And once I find that other bolt, which here it is, we'll do the same, and that's how you do the rear hub and SwayBar link on the Dodge Avenger.